Here we show you how to dual boot Windows and Linux. Head to distrowatch.com. We will select Linux Mint, but you can select a different distribution. We will download Linux Mint Cinnamon. After you download Linux, use Rufus or a similar program to make a bootable USB. If more files are needed, they can be downloaded. Press Yes to start. You are advised to back up your data before installing Linux. Likely you have Windows installed already. If that is not the case, install it first. Boot from the USB, change the boot order if needed. Enter BIOS, usually by holding F2, F11, or delete, while the computer power on. If you need to disable secure boot, make sure you have BitLocker recovery key if you are using it. If you have a lock on the icons of your drives, you have BitLocker. Disable BitLocker for every drive that will be used by Linux install from settings. If you only have one disk in the C drive, that is a must, as you will see later. Boot into the Linux USB, choose Install Linux Mint, restart and choose Compatibility Mode. If the screen remains black, the graphics are distorted or the system freeze. Double-click the Install Linux icon. Select the language and keyboard. Check Install Multimedia Codecs and continue. Choose to install Linux alongside Windows Boot Manager. Click Continue. Here your disk is partitioned. You can change the partition size if you wish. Your data will be preserved, except all subsequent messages. Note that Linux uses ext4 file system. Continue with the install as usual. If you have two disks, select Erase Disk and install Linux at this screen. LVM is the equivalent of Windows storage spaces. Make sure to select the right disk as all data on it will be erased. Note that this disk has 3 partitions that will be deleted. Run gparted, a Linux portioning tool. This disk have 3 partitions, of which one is a Microsoft partition. This is the disk currently selected in the installer. Select the other disk which has no partitions and note its name. Note how the partitions are named on the first disk. Select the right disk. Click Install Now. The partitions have been created for you. Click Continue. Continue with the installation as before. If Linux is installed on a second disk, change BIOS to boot from that disk. Thank you for watching and see you next time.